Today we are going to do a analysis on a word that many people take different interpretations and definitions of. The word fair. I'm going to read to you a few definitions of this word, and then I'm going to give you my interpretation of this same word. Fair. And duly note, this is not every definition. Fair, attractive, beautiful, lovely. 2, unblemished, clean. 3, dark coloring, light in color, blonde. 4, clear and sunny, free from storm or the threat of storm. 5, easy to read, clear. 6, just and honest. 7, according to the rules. 8, likely, promising, advantageous. 9, pleasant and courteous. 10, favorable, helpful. 11, of moderately good size. 12, neither very bad nor very good. I believe that many of these definitions, at one point or another, many people have believed to be using correctly. My definitions, however, were somewhat different. Fair. The idea that one benefiting more than the other is equal to the other not benefiting at all. 2, a state of mind. 3, a scenario or mentality of which benefiting more in one way justifies the means to an end, regardless of the sacrifice. Fair. Many people have different interpretations of what they think of when it's fair. But why is it that human beings refuse to treat themselves or other people fair? You know, I actually had a conversation briefly with someone, and they told me that a person whose heart they kind of mentally belong to, she told me that I'm content with the situation, despite the fact that it is not going to change anytime soon for the better. And I said to myself, if you're content, then what is it that you want with me? You couldn't possibly be that content, could you? You're looking for something that you're not getting out of this person. But in her mind, due to her actions, she felt that the result was as follows, and it was fair. If that is the case, then what exactly is fair? What is fair? What is fair? At one point I felt that fair meant that two parties were on the same page, that not one mattered more than the other. What is fair? Another person thinks that fair means getting what you want when you want, despite the consequences. And what is fair? What is fair? At this point in my life, I no longer know anymore. I do not see the lines that used to bind or separate the ideas of what is unfair and what is truly fair, because in the end, do the ends really justify the means? It is hard to say anymore of what is fair.